Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Wednesday, Willy Wonka Wednesday. Have you seen the new Willy Wonka movie? We saw it a few weeks ago. It's actually really good. Didn't know it was a musical or it had musical elements. Check it out. It's on a streaming service, I'm sure. Okay, last night I prepared for Robin and I one of her favorites, egg foo young. Wow, lots of prep, lots of dicing. I've done more in the past, but I kind of get into kind of a rhythm when I do a lot of dicing and a lot of cutting. And that was yesterday. It's kind of therapeutic. The gravy was spot on. I went to a smaller pan this time. Made the actual the egg portion, the egg foo, I guess, more manageable. Actually, I did three. The one that you see in the photos in the video was the perfect one. I got 1 out of 3. Yeah. So Robin actually took leftovers to work. She'd like it that much. Yes. Today I'm doing a creamy Tuscan salmon with a spinach mushroom orzo. Yeah. We go through a lot of orzo in this house. It's easy to cook. I mean, all pasta's easy. But it's good filling, and a box of orzo lasts, 2-3 different dishes, depending on the recipe. So let's get to it. Got some hardware going. The mushroom orzo spinach thingy. 2 pots. I got to boil the orzo, obviously, and then using another Dutch oven for the actual putting together of the goodies. Saute pan for the salmon dish. Robin and I bought a full side of salmon last Sunday, and we cut it down into portions. This recipe technically calls for 4, but I'm only doing 2. Sun-dried tomatoes, heavy whipping cream, butter, white wine, garlic, olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, and Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of spinach. There's a carryover here. The salt, pepper, garlic, Parmesan, and spinach roll into the orzo dish. So we got orzo, mushrooms, parsley for some color and a garnish, and red pepper flakes for garnish. Interesting garnish. So not a lot of prep for me today. Opposite of yesterday. I think the only thing I got to cut up, see, probably cut up the mushrooms a little bit, parsley. Yeah, that's about it. And measure some stuff out. No brainer. So, and it's supposed to be, I'm going to play Weatherman, according to Channel 3 in Sacramento, here in Sutter County, it's supposed to be 98. Now, Bob Harlan's weather report for today says 95, I think. So, it's going to be hot today. I don't care what there's north winds and yeah. So, yeah, here in Sutter County, it's going to be hot. Enough of weather for that. Okay, so egg foo young will be posted this morning at 9 a.m. I pre-posted it last night. Just stay tuned for the photos and videos. So on this Willy Wonka Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.